Hi, my name is Basha. I'm a pyro artist burning since 2010, and I'm on a mission to share everything I know and show you everything I own when it comes to pyrography. In this video, we're diving into Wood Burning Project and Pattern Treasury by Deborah Pompano. This is a great book for all levels of wood burning artists with tons of inspiration and loads of instruction. It starts off with getting started, how to set up a space, all the tools and materials. Then it goes into the design section of the book where it shows how to put together a design and all of the parts that go with it. There's some practice projects, some patterns. This is fantastic. First, we'll go to the patterns section in the back. They are excellent quality patterns. You can trace these for personal use. This wood burned pattern is really a good way of seeing what pyrography can do and how it looks from just a sketch to an actual wood burn project. Lots of patterns that you can trace. Then in the end there's some more artwork which is just stunning, really portrays the style of the artist and their border work, all their fantastic artwork in this gallery section. And at the beginning we could see how in-depth everything is. The design chapter is probably my favorite. It shows all the details on how to create a design from patterns and shading and putting it all together. In the practice projects section, there is even more detail on how to wood burn, and it goes through this beautiful board, this texture board, which is just probably the most epic way to practice your wood burning. You can see here A1, you would follow that. On the next page, step-by-step instructions on how to do this yourself, including what nib to use and how to do it. So excellent way to practice your pyrography techniques and have a lot of guidance doing it, not just blindly practicing. So I highly recommend doing this if you can. It's very lovely, very detailed, super easy to follow. I absolutely love this. Also goes into shading, 3D objects, shadows, watercolor washes. It's so detailed. There is one project that the artist goes step by step from gathering materials to laying them out and really dives in to all of the details on how she created her piece. The photos themselves are excellent quality. They're very sharp and detailed. You can see the strokes that she uses, which helps you understand which direction to pull or push and makes it a lot easier to practice. There is an elements section here, a complete composition section, so you could take pieces of one of the patterns or take a full pattern. Highly recommend for inspiration and learning to burn. Let me know in the comments if you've read this book and what you think about it. If you want me to review any other books, leave those in the comments as well. I'll be reviewing a bunch more very soon, but would love to know what you want to hear first. I'll also be reviewing pyro tools and all the accessories that I use when I wood burn, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.